Yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch.
A routine traffic stop on a Georgia interstate suddenly turns into a violent struggle. Seconds later, a deputy fires his weapon, and a man who had once been wrongfully imprisoned for 16 years is now dead after a roadside encounter with police. What exactly happened during the traffic stop involving Leonard Cure? Let's take a look.
We're stopping Camden.
Clear off of that 20, returns to a white Subaru Forester.
10-4, change that item to a T-Tango. Step out! Step out! Get out! Get out! Put your hands back here.
I ain't doing shit.
Put your damn hands back here. Dude,
Who are you?
Staff Sergeant of the Sheriff's Office.
My name is Al Wade.
I don't care. Step to the rear of this vehicle.
In the name of who?
In the name of the law of the state of Georgia. Step back here now or you're getting tased.
I'm going. Watch me now.
Put your hands on the back of that truck.
Do you see that?
Put your hands on the back of that truck.
The back of the truck.
Both hands. Turn around. 34, can you send me another unit? One non-compliant.
Your name is Officer who?
Staff Sergeant Aldridge with the Camden County Sheriff's Office.
Who county?
Camden County. Put your hand behind your back.
Do I have a warrant? Wait. No. Excuse me.
Either put your hands behind your back or you're getting tased. I'm telling you that right now.
Why am I getting tased?
Because you are under arrest for speeding and reckless driving.
I'm not driving. Nobody was hurt. How was I speeding?
You passed me doing 100 miles an hour.
Okay, so that's a speeding ticket, right?
Sir, tickets in the state of Georgia are criminal offenses.
I don't have a ticket in Georgia.
You do now.
Why?
You passed me doing 100 miles an hour.
Offense and what? Am I going
Hands
to jail?
behind your back. Yes, you are going to jail. Hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down.
Too late.
Camden, shots fired.
Too late.
Shots fired, Camden. Stay down. Do not get up. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Camden, shots fired. Suspect down. Can you send me help? Stay down. Stay down. Stay down.
As the deputy attempts to place Leonard Cure under arrest, the situation quickly escalates. Then, Deputy Buck Aldridge of the Camden County Sheriff's Office attempts to place Cure in handcuffs, but Cure refuses commands to put his hands behind his back. The deputy then deploys a taser in an attempt to gain compliance. Moments later, the encounter turns into a physical fight. During the struggle, Cure is seen striking the deputy and grabbing him around the neck area, creating a rapidly escalating and dangerous situation. At that moment, the deputy draws his firearm and fires a single shot. Shortly after the shooting, a Brinks armored truck traveling on the interstate pulls over. The driver exits and provides cover and assistance for the deputy. as the scene begins to stabilize.
Camden, are you clear?
Camden cleared, hot shot. Suspect is 10. We have the ambulance on the way. 34 East and 4.
Stay down! Do not get up!
You alright? You got backup coming?
Yeah. Cover him. Cover him! First aid! Grab the AD out of my trunk. Hey, you look at me. You ain't going no damn where. Get a statement from him.
You want a statement real quick before I go?
Yeah. God damn it.
Stay calm. Follow the instructions.
You're straight, let us
Exposing this to their chest. Let's fire them.
Motherfucker.
Hey, head up, buddy. Hey, head up. Head up.
I'd rather be you sitting here. You're good.
Did you land, Cluck?
What the fuck?
Hey. I'd rather be for you sitting here. You're good.
Okay.
Good.
Hey, we good, man.
As soon as we
We good.
get him checked out, we'll get him out of here.
Yep. How many small people we got up there? We go ahead and
Get this guy here.
Leonard Cure died at the scene after being shot during the traffic stop. The Georgia Bureau of Investigation later reviewed the case. Prosecutors ultimately concluded that the deputy's use of deadly force met the legal standard of objective reasonableness under the Supreme Court ruling in Graham v. Connor, and no criminal charges were filed for the shooting. However, the case did not end there. Leonard Cure's family later filed a federal civil rights lawsuit, seeking approximately $16 million, alleging excessive force and wrongful death. That civil case remains ongoing. In August 2025, then-Deputy Buck Aldridge was federally indicted following an FBI investigation into unrelated civil rights violations involving other arrests. After the indictment, Aldridge resigned from the Camden County Sheriff's Office. That federal case remains ongoing. Cases like this often leave difficult questions for investigators, the courts, and the public. The full legal process will ultimately determine responsibility and accountability. This is Texas Safety Watch. Before we wrap up, I would like to thank you for watching and supporting the channel. My name is Leo. I am a veteran and former law enforcement officer. This channel exists because of your support for me and my family. Your support allows this channel to continue bringing real cases, real footage, and thoughtful analysis to the public. Stay aware, stay safe, and I will see you on the next case.